amazing talents and aptitude of our artists.
I always thought there should have been a Mighty Quinn #2, a sequel to that particular. I thought it'd been a cool.
Sometimes when you create a classic, you want to kind of, make it great and leave it as it is. Sometimes when you add too much to the story, it can complicate things.
It can, but then the current Hollywood formula says, right, milk that sucker till you can't get another dollar out of them. All right, so
Bob Marley Part 2.
So. They can do it. Yeah, with Bob, we do a movie for every album, the making of every album, and what was going on in his life around that time.
And there's an opportunity to get multiple perspectives of that era as well. That was such a riveting era of the reggae music becoming that we need more perspectives. We need a Bunny Wailer perspective and a Peter Tosh perspective.